You've been following the keto diet for a while now, and surprisingly, you hardly even miss carbs. Yet you know that carbs are energy, and energy is what you need when you exercise. If you're about to work out, which keto-friendly foods are best to eat? Try the following keto foods before a workout: energy supplements, keto bars, high-fat dairy, berries, or keto bombs. Why these foods specifically? In this video, we'll tell you exactly that. We'll also share some sample meal plans to follow so you can feel energetic and light ahead of your next sweat session. So make sure you destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. Here are some keto foods that you might try before your workout. Energy supplements. Taking supplements before a workout can boost your energy levels and push your endurance and performance further. Our keto collagen supplement is chocolate flavored, so it's totally tasty. You can stir a bit of the supplement into a protein shake and then be off to the gym for your workout. This dairy-free, clean supplement has no artificial sweeteners and other junk you don't want to ingest. The collagen added to the supplement comes from grass-fed sources that are keto-friendly. Also included are medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, from medium-chain fatty acids. MCT may reduce inflammation, control appetite, promote weight loss, help you absorb more nutrients and fat, and increase your energy. In other words, the Keto Collagen supplement is the perfect choice to reach for when you have a workout on your schedule. One container of our Keto Collagen supplement is enough for 30 servings, so this baby should last you for a while. Keto bars. Keto bars include protein but are lower in carbs and sugar, so you can remain in ketosis. Many keto bars are free of soy, gluten, and dairy, making them vegan-friendly too, but always check the ingredients label of your particular bar. Here are some of the most renowned keto bar brands and the flavors available for each. Primal Kitchen. All bars are gluten-free, have between 8 and 9 grams of protein and 2 grams of sugar. The flavors include mint chip, chocolate coconut, coconut lime, almond spice, and peanut butter. DNX bars. These meat bars are paleo-approved too and contain free-range turkey or chicken, grass-fed bison, or grass-fed beef. Atlas protein bars. Their protein bars are packed with 15 to 16 grams of protein per bar, with 3 to 4 grams of net carbs and 1 gram of sugar. The flavors include mint chocolate chip, peanut butter and raspberry, almond chocolate chip, vanilla almond chai, peanut butter chocolate chip, and chocolate cacao. Perfect keto bars. These bars have 3 grams of net carbs and no sugar alcohols, fillers, additives, or added sugars. The flavors include chocolate chip cookie dough, banana bread, salted caramel, almond butter brownie, peanut butter chocolate chip, cinnamon roll, birthday cake, and lemon poppy seed. High-fat dairy. If you want to prep for your workout with a dairy product, choose high-fat dairy such as cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. Both provide some carbs, but besides that, you're also ingesting plenty of protein and fat. A cup of small curd, unpacked cottage cheese, which is 225 grams, contains 222 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 15% of your daily recommended allowance, 8 grams of carbs, 2% of your daily recommended allowance, 6 grams of sugar, and 25 grams of protein, 50% of your daily recommended allowance. In one serving of whole milk plain Chobani Greek yogurt, which is 3/4 of a cup, you're consuming 170 calories, 9 grams of total fat, 12% of your daily recommended allowance, 7 grams of carbs, 3% of your daily recommended allowance, less than 1 gram of dietary fiber, 2% of your daily recommended allowance, 4 grams of total sugars, 16 grams of protein, 32% of your daily recommended allowance. Don't forget to calculate your net carbs for these foods. If you want to know how to calculate net carbs, you can find out how to do it here. Berries. Many fruits are off limits on the keto diet because they're high in carbs, but eating berries in moderate quantities is okay. Nothing beats the taste of fresh berries either, especially when you're about to exercise. Even better is their health benefits, as berries are loaded with antioxidants such as resveratrol, ellagic acid, and anthocyanins. You're also ingesting nutrients like folate, copper, vitamin K1, manganese, and vitamin C in a handful of berries, especially blackberries. Keto Bombs. The night before your workout, whip up some Keto Bombs. These fat bombs contain some carbs for energy, but not enough that you have to tiptoe around carbs for the rest of the day. Here are some Keto Bomb ideas to get you started. Pumpkin spice fat bombs with 0.7 grams of net carbs. Everything bagel and lox fat bombs. Yes, with real salmon with 0.5 grams of carbs. Chocolate walnut fat bombs with 0.7 grams of carbs. Keto burger fat bombs, which are carb-free. Cookie dough keto fat bombs with 2 grams of carbs. By the way, if you feel that you're getting value out of this video, please take a second and hit the like button. This will tell YouTube that you want to see more content that will help you out with your keto diet. Keto snack and meal examples for before and after a workout. Now that you know what to eat, you may need some guidance in putting these foods together into a meal or snack that will get you ready for exercise or fill you up post-workout. Here are some suggestions to incorporate for morning, noon, and night. Parfait with yogurt and granola. A full-fat Greek yogurt parfait is like a decadent dessert when layered with granola. If you feel like treating yourself, add a dollop of peanut butter. Your workout won't be so tough when you have this parfait to look forward to afterward. Mashed cauliflower and unsweetened almond milk with cinnamon. You can eat a full cauliflower if you wish. Boil it, mash it, and season it. Serve with a side of unsweetened almond milk that gets some flavor and sweetness from a touch of cinnamon. Trail mix with dark chocolate, coconut flakes, and cashews. Homemade trail mix always trumps the store-bought stuff in terms of freshness, quality, and taste. Even better is, you can ensure that your trail mix is keto-friendly. Try adding in ingredients such as dark chocolate nibs, coconut flakes, and cashews. Hummus with carrots and cherry tomatoes. For some light snacking, keto hummus satisfies. Make sure yours is low-carb by using cauliflower as the base. Then serve with equally low-carb veggies such as carrots or cherry tomatoes. This is a better snack after your Pilates class or yoga session. Why? Some cruciferous vegetables, cauliflower included, might lead to gassiness that can interrupt your workout. The same goes for broccoli and peppers, so pass on those two until you're done exercising. Mashed avocado. Mash up an avocado or eat this fruit as is. We'd recommend only 1/4 to 1/2 an avocado before your workout. If you want a full avocado, eat that after you're done exercising for the day. Some people find that the fat in avocado makes them feel a bit heavy, since it takes your body so long to digest the fruit's fat content. Fruit smoothie with blueberries and Greek yogurt. If you have a bit more time to dedicate to your pre- or post-workout snack, a fruit smoothie with Greek yogurt and keto-friendly fruits like blueberries or strawberries is sweet but not overly so. You can add a few chocolate chips too if you're so inclined. Cottage cheese cup with berries. A cup of cottage cheese with berries like blackberries or blueberries is full of fat and protein, but not so heavy on the carbs. Egg white omelet with feta cheese and spinach. Start your day off right with an egg white omelet that's loaded with flavor thanks to the inclusion of feta cheese and spinach. Feta provides up to 21 grams of protein per cup, so you'll be ready to hit the gym. Can you lose more weight when you exercise on keto? When in a state of ketosis, which is the goal you strive for on the keto diet, your body begins burning fat since it lacks glucose. If you need a reminder, glucose is a type of simple sugar that comes from carbs. Well, the body can produce glucose too. That has you wondering something. If you exercise while in ketosis, will you lose more weight than someone not on the keto diet? Possibly, yes. A 2018 publication of the journal BMJ explored whether one's energy expenditure is affected by fats and carbohydrates. The study lasted 3 years and involved 164 participants between 18 and 65 years old. All participants had a body mass index or BMI of at least 25. The participants were divided into 3 groups and given different diets, including some diets that were high in carbs and others that were low carb. The participants who ate fewer carbs burned 250 calories more each day than the ones who ate more carbs, even if their diets were low fat. Now, 250 calories might not sound like much, but remember, that's for each day. Burning calories consistently is part of what leads to weight loss. So if that's your goal on the keto diet, you're definitely on the right track. So, like I already told you, exercising on the keto diet may burn slightly more calories, but you have to eat the right kinds of foods. You need some carbs, but keep your meals mostly high protein and high fat, and you'll have lots of energy every time you exercise. If you want to see another video that helps you with your keto diet, watch the video on the top right. Or, if you want to check out our latest one, click the video on the bottom left.